Hi everyone, and welcome to another challenge. In this video, two idiots are trying to make a game in 1 minute versus 10 minutes. We are close to 600 subscribers. I hope we reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And now enjoy watching.
Alright guys, this is Joe. I took again the role of a scripter and the other guy as a builder. I simply was aiming for a speed game, like every second you gain +1 speed. But at the same time, you jump on obstacles. Sadly, the time is up and I couldn't add more.
Hi, it's me Zora and I'm the builder. Since it's only a minute, I decided to just place some obstacle cubes. Some of them will require a certain amount of speed, and that's it.
Okay, now we only have 10 minutes left to continue on the game. So I decided to add obstacles and some effects.
While Joe was working on the scripts, I made the map look beautiful by adding decoration to each hill.
Here we are testing the game. Sadly, there are bugs that I couldn't fix because of the time. But overall, this is good for a 10-minute game.
We tried, guys, and remember, we are not pro developers. I enjoyed doing this. I hope Siri invites me to more challenges.
Shout out to Zora and Joe for their efforts. I'm just trying to focus on school, and whenever I have time, I'll work on the website and the game. And now have a nice day.